Hello friends, my name is Amit Kumar. Today we'll talk about Hyprpaper. We will see how to install Hyprpaper and how to configure it. There will be four things mainly to talk about. First one is how to set wallpaper, second one is how to survive reboot. Then we will create a bash script to change the wallpaper, and finally we will bind Hyprpaper to our Hyprland configuration. First of all, let me tell you Hyprpaper is a wallpaper utility created by Hyprland. So installation is very simple. I am using archlinux and on Hyprland. So you can use your package manager if you are on archlinux, OpenSUSE and Fedora. Otherwise you will have to build it on your own. So installation is very easy. Sudo pacman as Hyprpaper and it will install Hyprpaper. Okay. So how to change the wallpaper? Actually, let me show you. I have a walls folder and it holds all the wallpaper I have. So it's in the home directory. Let me show you. You can see it. Okay. So I will reference an image to change the wallpaper. This one. Okay. So it is very easy. We will use hyperctl hyperpaper reload. Then we will specify monitor, on which monitor you want to set the wallpaper. If you will leave blank, it will set on all the monitor. Okay, we will leave it blank. Then we will provide the path to our image. So it is in home, Amit, and walls, and my bad, completely my bad. Okay, there is an okay. First of all, I think we will have to run the Hyprpaper. Okay, now it is running. Okay, so let me push it forward. Now it is running. Now we will set the wallpaper. As you can see that the wallpaper has been set. We can change with another one if we want. As you can see, the image has been changed. But when you will reboot, this will not load. Only the default wallpaper will load. Now secondly, we will survive the reboot. For that we will create a configuration file in config.hyper folder. Name will be hyprpaper.conf, and here we will first of all create a preload variable, and here we will provide the full path to our image so that it will load in our memory. So we will providing the full path. I will use home variable so that I don't have to type my home and my home directory name. So home walls and arch.png. Now wallpaper variable will set it. We will leave it blank. First variable we will leave blank for the monitor, or you can specify your monitor like this. Okay, I will leave it blank. Now I will provide same wallpaper sorry for same image path. Okay, so I will provide it. Now if I will save it, now if we'll reboot, I will reboot my PC, it will set the arch.png as my wallpaper. Okay, now the third thing is we will create a bash script so that we can change wallpaper. First of all, mark your wallpapers directory. Okay, my wallpapers directory is here. First I will create a wall.sh file and I will save it, and I will make it executable wall.sh. As you can see it is executable now. Let me show you. It is executable. Okay, so now we will open it. Okay, let me type first, then I will tell you all the details. Okay, so this is the script. This wallpaper directory variable holds the wallpaper directory, and this current wall hyperctl hyper paper list load the current wallpaper, and this randomly pick a wallpaper, and this command we have used, it will set the wallpaper. Okay, we will save this. Now we have our script and we have our walls directory. Okay, Now what we will use is we will connect all these things to our Hyprland configuration. So we will open our Hyprland configuration. Okay, over here is, first of all, we will launch our Hyprpaper on reboot of PC. So we will execute once Hyprpaper. Okay, then we will bind our wallpaper changer script to a I'm sorry, to a keybind. Okay, so we will use main mode with shift, and then we will use W. With the W key we will change our wallpaper. Okay, now on press of Windows plus shift plus W, what we want to do is we want to execute a script. So we will provide our home directory, and it is in the home directory, so we will provide like this. Now I'll save this and I will execute this, and now I will press my Windows key or mode key. It can be option key on Mac, Windows key plus shift key plus W, and it will change my wallpaper. As you can see it, my wallpaper is changing. It is very simple to set up Hyprpaper, and it is a very fast utility created by Hyprland. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please do share, like, subscribe. Thank you.